In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Grok Workspaces. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized place in Grok where your team and your AI can work from the same set of instructions and source materials. First, head to grok.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the Projects option in the top navigation. This is where Grok organizes workspaces. Open that Projects drop-down to see your existing spaces and to create a new one. Next, select the plus icon or the New Project option. This opens the setup flow for your workspace. Think of a Grok project as the container that holds your goals, guidance, and the reference content Grok will use to respond more accurately. When prompted, enter a clear, descriptive project name. A good name makes the workspace easy to find and understand later. For example, choose something like Customer Support Playbook rather than something generic. If you expect multiple related workspaces, consider a short naming convention so everything stays consistent over time. Now add your project instructions. This is where you explain the purpose of the workspace and set expectations for tone, scope, and outputs. Be specific. Include what the project should and should not cover, preferred formats for answers, and any key terminology or style rules your team follows. Strong instructions here dramatically improve the quality and consistency of Grok's responses. Click. Next, to move forward, you'll arrive at the Project Sources section. This is the context engine for your workspace, where you decide what information Grok can use. If your instructions are the playbook, your sources are the library. Choose Add Files to bring in the references Grok should consult. You can upload relevant documents like PDFs, slide decks, spreadsheets, or text files. Prioritize accurate, up-to-date materials and avoid duplicates to keep responses clean. If you have overlapping files, pick the most authoritative version. As a tip, consider adding a short README file that outlines which documents are most trustworthy and how they should be interpreted. This can reinforce your instructions and reduce confusion. After your files finish uploading, review your selections to make sure everything you want is included and nothing extra slipped in. Clear inputs lead to clearer outputs. Finally, click Create. Grok will set up the workspace and begin processing your sources. Indexing can take a moment, especially for larger files, so give it a little time. Once ready, your new Grok workspace, organized as a project, will be available under Projects, complete with your instructions and sources, ready for focused, high-quality work.